Welcome to another episode of Tech Explorations, where we dive into the tools that make reading more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Today, we're excited to discuss an incredible open-source project called koreader. If you're passionate about reading on e-ink devices, you'll definitely want to stick around for this. So what's koreader? Well, think of it as a powerful document viewer designed specifically for e-ink readers. You might be wondering, why not just use the built-in reader? That's a great question. koreader brings a whole new level of customization and versatility, making it suitable for various document types. Imagine being able to read anything from PDFs, EPUBs, and even comic books right on your e-reader. koreader supports a multitude of formats. We're talking fixed-page formats like PDF and DjVu, alongside reflowable formats such as EPUB and Mobi. We can dive into what that really means in a bit. Now, let's talk about its standout features. koreader is portable, meaning it runs seamlessly on devices like Kindle, Kobo, and even Android and Linux computers. Have you ever felt tied down by the limitations of a device? With koreader, you can break free from that. And here's where it gets really interesting. koreader's user interface is customizable. You can adjust page margins, line spacing, and even choose from a selection of external fonts and styles. I mean, who doesn't love a bit of personalization? But that's not all. It's optimized for e-ink devices, which means no distracting animations that can drain your battery. Instead, you get a smooth reading experience, adjustable text contrast, and easy zoom options to fit content perfectly. It's like they've really thought of everything to enhance the reading experience. So, how does koreader work with other apps? Well, it integrates with cool tools like Calibre for managing your ebook library and supports tons of additional functionalities, like translating text through Google Translate or looking up words with integrated dictionaries. Imagine the convenience of reading a book in another language and instantly translating a passage. How cool is that? Now, a big bonus for those who love to tinker with tech. koreader is extensible. You can add plugins to customize your experience even further. This community-driven app is backed by a group of amazing volunteers who can contribute to development and translation efforts. It makes you think about how open-source projects like koreader foster collaboration and creativity, doesn't it? They invite users to not just consume content, but to participate in the development process. Speaking of which, if you're interested in getting involved, you can help by fixing bugs, implementing new features, or even improving translations. It's a great way to give back to the community. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about this. What would your ideal reading experience look like? With tools like koreader pushing the boundaries of what e-reading can be, the possibilities are endless. So, that's a deep dive into koreader, a tool that is not just about reading, but rather about enjoying and customizing the reading experience to fit your needs. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to explore the fascinating world of e-ink devices and koreader's community. Until next time, happy reading.